If you're in your 40s and feel like you're behind on money, let me tell you something important. Your 40s can be your most powerful wealth building decade. You have experience, you have earning power, and you finally know what not to waste money on. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build real wealth in your 40s, even if you're starting later than you planned. The biggest mistake people make in their 40s isn't money, it's mindset. Stop thinking, it's all her fault or his fault. I should already be rich. That idiot is richer than me. Start thinking, I now have clarity, discipline, and I'm in my highest earning years. In your 40s, wealth isn't built by hype or risky shortcuts. It's built by focus, consistency, and simple systems. You have to believe you can achieve financial freedom before any of the following strategies work. Your income matters more than ever in your 40s. Ask yourself, can I negotiate my salary? Can I move into higher paying roles? Can I monetize my skills? This is not the decade to stay comfortable. It's the decade to capitalize on your experience. Side income ideas that actually work in your 40s. Consulting, monetizing your knowledge through tutoring or social media, driving in your spare time for quick, easy cash, and earning investment related income. Your income is your biggest wealth building tool, and this is the best time in history to earn more money without relying on a raise from your boss. Eliminating debt in your 40s is one of the most powerful wealth building moves you can make because it frees up cash flow and reduces financial stress at the same time. Start by getting brutally clear on what you owe. Then prioritize high interest debt with focus and urgency, treating it like an emergency rather than a background problem. Cut expenses that don't add real value and redirect that money toward becoming debt free. As balances shrink, momentum builds, and every debt paid off effectively becomes a guaranteed return on your money. Investing with intention at 40 means shifting from guesswork to strategy and making every dollar work toward a clear future goal. This is the stage where protecting capital matters just as much as growing it, so instead of chasing trends, focus on diversified long-term investments that align with your time horizon and risk tolerance. Automating contributions, staying consistent through market cycles, and reinvesting returns become more important than trying to time the market. Low-cost index funds are a great place to start. Contribute to tax-deferred or tax-exempt retirement accounts and be consistent. Saving and investing every month is crucial in your 40s. Wealth isn't just about growing money, it's about protecting it. Make sure you have an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of living expenses, adequate insurance for your own personal situation, and a will or estate plan. This is grown-up money management, and it matters. One unexpected event can erase years of progress if you're not prepared. Figuring out what you want to do in retirement is just as important as figuring out how to pay for it. Retirement isn't simply about stopping work. It's about designing a life you actually want to wake up to every day. Whether that means traveling, spending more time with family, volunteering, starting a passion project, or working part-time on your own terms, clarity gives your money purpose. When you know what your ideal retirement looks like, your saving, investing, and lifestyle choices become more intentional, making retirement something you move toward, not something you escape into. Your health is one of the most overlooked factors in building wealth in your 40s, yet it directly impacts your income, focus, and long-term financial freedom. This is the decade where energy becomes a competitive advantage, better sleep, nutrition, and movement translate into sharper decision-making, higher productivity, and greater earning potential. Poor health, on the other hand, quietly drains wealth through lost work, medical costs, and burnout. When you invest in your health in your 40s, you're protecting your ability to earn today while reducing the risk of financial strain tomorrow, making health a foundational pillar of long-term wealth, not a separate goal. Your 40s aren't too late, they're right on time. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment. What helped you build wealth the most in your 40s? Because wealth isn't about age, it's about action. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep earning, keep saving, and keep investing.